There are different theories about the origin of this symbol. Despite these different theories, the symbol is used by doctors before a prescription, and each theory explains why this symbol is used. According to one, Rx is an abbreviation for the Latin word recipere or recipe, which means take, thou. In the days before manufactured drugs, apothecaries, who were also doctors, would write out a formula for medications. They would mix up and compound ingredients to make drugs or remedies. According to the Pharmaceutical Handbook, 19th edition, 1980, the Latin abbreviation Rx is completed by some statement such as fiat mistura, which means let a mixture be made. Another theory states the symbol Rx is a corruption of the symbol of Jupiter. It was assumed that the symbol of Jupiter was used to invoke him so that the prescription is effective. Thus, the symbol is a prayer to Jupiter to use his healing abilities to cure the patient. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. In this channel you will get information about various health-related topics. Wishing you good health in your life. Bye.